Welcome to this new video about the chain rule. So we're going to use the chain rule to find the derivatives of the functions below. So let's start with the first one. F of x equals 5 minus 2x to the power of 4. Here we're going to use the chain rule applied to powers. So u to the power of n prime is equal to n times u prime of x times u to the power of n minus 1 of x. So here, applied to this function, it gives f prime of x equals 4 times the derivative of 5 minus 2x, which is negative 2, times 5 minus 2x to the power of 3. Of course, we can write it as negative 8, 5 minus 2x to the power of 3. Next one, f of x is exponential 5x. Again, here we can apply the chain rule using the derivative of exponential u of x, which is u prime of x times exponential u of x, which gives f prime of x equals, here u of x is 5x, its derivative is 5, exponential 5x. Next one, f of x equals 3 ln of 1 plus x squared. Remember that the derivative of ln of u of x is equal to u prime of x over u of x. So here our u is 1 plus x squared. Apply this to f of x. We're going to obtain f prime of x equals 3 times the derivative of 1 plus x squared is 2x over 1 plus x squared. Of course, you can write it as 6x over 1 plus x squared. Next one, f of x equals x minus 2 ln of x to the power of 4. Here we're going to apply the power rule. So f prime of x is 4 times the derivative of x minus 2 ln of x, which is 1 minus 2 over x. So this is u prime, okay? Times u to the power of n minus 1. It means times x minus 2 ln of x to the power of 3. Next one, f of x equals exponential x squared plus 3x plus 1. Here we're going to use the derivative of exponential u. So f prime of x is u prime exponential u. So it gives 2x plus 3 times exponential x squared plus 3x plus 1. So this is u prime exponential u. Next one, f of x equals square root of 4 plus 3 ln of x. To find the derivative of this function, first rewrite it as 4 plus 3 ln of x to the power of half, because a square root is a power to the half, okay? So now we can use the power rule to find the derivative of this function, which is f prime of x equals half times the derivative of 4 plus 3 ln of x, which is 3 over x, times 4 plus 3 ln of x to the power of negative half, because half minus 1 gives negative half, okay? Of course, you can keep it in this form or try to simplify it a little bit. So we can write it as 3 over 2x times, if you prefer, you can put it in this form or write it as 1 over square root of 4 plus 3 ln of x. Both are correct, okay? Next one, we have f of x equals to x over x plus 2 to the power of 4. Here we're going to apply the power rule, but the function inside is a quotient. So first of all, let's set u of x, which is 2x over x plus 2, and find its derivative. First, u prime of x is equal 2 times x plus 2. We are applying the quotient rule here, minus 2x times the derivative of x plus 2, which is 1, so we will not write it, over x plus 2 squared. So we can simplify it a bit. So 2x plus 4 minus 2x, which is 4, over x plus 2 squared. Now we apply the power rule. We're going to obtain f prime of x equals, the power here is 4, so 4 times the derivative of what's inside, which is 4 over x plus 2 squared, times 2x over x plus 2 to the power of 3. Of course, you can simplify this to 16 times 2x to the power of 3 over, here we have x plus 2 squared, and here we're going to obtain x plus 2 cubed, so it's over x plus 2 to the power of 5. Okay, so this is the simplest form of f prime of x. We are done with this list of functions. Thank you and see you in the next videos.